Hi, and welcome to the HTT channel. This week we are going to go over what should be in your home's disaster kit and where to store your kits. So sit back, relax, and get ready for this week's session. Welcome back to the HTT channel. I am Kelly and I will be walking you through today's video. Today we go over the essential items you need in your kit or kits and where you should store the kit or kits. Firstly, let's talk to the amount of time. For your home kit, you are making an assumption that your house weathered the interruption well and that you just need to fend for yourself and your loved ones for a period of time. So how long should you plan for? We would recommend having enough supplies to take care of your household for 2 to 3 weeks. Most emergency preparedness personnel will start with a recommendation on water and food storage, which I rank extremely high. However, if you plan to take the time to build your kit, then I would encourage you to begin with what you are going to want after an interruption. Really think about it for a moment. You have just been through an earthquake, tornado, blizzard, windstorm, or some other form of a calamity, and you've responded appropriately and are now trying to begin your recovery process. What do you want? For me, I want 2 things. My comfy blanket, which is key to getting a good night's sleep, and wine, which is key to keeping me calm. Yep, I said it. I have a box of red wine in my disaster kit. I chose red wine as it does not need to be chilled and the box rather than bottle so that it won't be damaged by the event. Now, take a second to think about what you want in your kit. Really, think about it for a second. Maybe it's diet soda, chocolate, candy, chewing gum, energy bars, carbonated flavored water, and beyond. Whatever you determine, make sure to build the rest of your kit around that item. Then you want to ensure that you have enough water and non-perishable food for your household to last for 2 to 3 weeks. You will want 1 gallon of water per person to cover your food preparation, drinking, and hygiene. There are several ways to store water. You can store pouches, invest in water purification systems, rotate 5-gallon jugs, and access water in your water heater. Not an instant heat tank, but rather the old standard type. And the tank of your toilet, not the bowl. The Red Cross also recommends that you have the following at a minimum in your kit: flashlight, extra batteries, battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, such as a NOAA weather alert radio, which is preferred, copies of personal documents, medication lists, proof of address, deed/lease of a home, passports, birth certificates, insurance policies, over-the-counter medications, prescription medications, multi-purpose tool, sanitation and hygiene items, cell phone and chargers, first aid kit, family emergency contact information, extra cash, emergency blanket, maps of the area, and GPS apps on your cell phone. You'll also want to look at personal items that are necessary for your family's individual needs, such as medical supplies, hearing aids and extra batteries, glasses, contact lenses, syringes. What about baby supplies, bottles, formula, baby food, diapers, wipes, extra clothing? Then add some games and activities in for your children and the entire family. Throw in some drawing tools such as paper and crayons, as children will recover quicker if they can emote through drawing. Pet supplies, collars, leash, ID, food, carrier, bowl, baggies, kitty litter, list of hotels and motels that are pet friendly, 2-way radios, extra set of car keys and house keys, and a manual can opener. Now here are some additional supplies to keep at home or in your survival kit based on the types of disasters common to your area: a whistle, N95 or surgical masks, waterproof matches, rain gear, towels, work gloves, tools or supplies for securing your home, extra clothing, a hat and sturdy shoes, plastic sheeting, duct tape, scissors, household liquid bleach, not scented, entertainment items, blankets, sleeping bags, and tents. In terms of storing the items, it is recommended that you place the items in backpacks so that everything is together and easily transported if needed. Keep the backpacks near an exit or entrance to your home to make it quick to grab and go if necessary. Although the food and water for 2 to 3 weeks can simply stay in your pantry or other area in the home deemed appropriate, keep a 3-day supply of water and food in your backpacks for every member of your household, in the event you need to evacuate. Well, that is a wrap for this week. Remember that your kit should be built to meet the needs of your household. The more people you have living in your home, the more supplies you will need at a minimum. Good luck, and let us know how it goes. We hope you found this week's video informative and helpful. Please like, share, and follow us for all the latest videos. Stay safe, my friends.